To start, I log into Codatta using my email address. Codatta is a comprehensive platform for annotating pathology datasets, making it easy to navigate and annotate slides efficiently. After logging in, I select the dataset I want to annotate. In this case, I'm working with a prostate dataset, focusing on Gleason grading of tumors. Next, I search for the specific slide to annotate. The slide I'm reviewing today features a Gleason grade 4+3 tumor. Once the slide loads, I begin my detailed annotation process. I start by identifying the region of the slide where the Gleason grade 3 tumor is concentrated. This area is characterized by its well-differentiated tumor glands. I carefully label this region as Gleason pattern 3+4. Moving on, I analyze the rest of the tumor. Since this portion predominantly consists of Gleason grade 4 tumor, defined by its poorly formed glands, I label it as Gleason pattern 4+3. Finally, I write a concise summary paragraph describing the grading of the tumor in this slide. This includes my observations and reasoning for the assigned Gleason patterns. Once complete, I assign an overall label to the whole slide, ensuring it reflects the tumor grading accurately. With the annotation complete, I save my work, confident that this contributes to improving the dataset's accuracy and utility for future studies. This streamlined process not only enhances precision, but also demonstrates the power of Codatta in enabling high-quality pathology annotations.